Okay? They can't do it. You can't do it in your trading. You cannot decide outside, once the trade has been placed, you cannot decide to modify your trading plan. You don't get to do that. Is that understood? Yeah, I did make a reference to old school. Some of you guys got that reference.
Everyone's doing it.
Everybody's doing it. More people are coming.
I had a friend, speaking of taking profits early, he left 500 pips on the table one month doing that.
500.
Yeah, and I talked to him like, this is when we were trading together. We were supposed to, become these two great traders, and obviously he didn't follow through with the psychological part. But I asked him how his month went. He's like, yeah, I made 250 pips. I'm like, oh man, good month, good month. He's like, no, why? He's like, well, I reviewed it and I should have made 750. I'm like, what'd you do? He's like, I was taking profits off early. It started like you said. It started with he had a rule, or no, he had a rule was supposed to hit this specific mark, and then it would get like 3 pips above, and he'd take it off. And then the next trade after that, it would get like 3 pips before the 3 pips, and before he knew it, he was taking profits off at like 20 pips before.
Right.
And he just
It's
realized.
Like as soon as you enter the trade, you're looking for the exit. Tell me you haven't done that, okay? Tell me that's not you at one time or another in your trading, where literally you've taken several losses, and as soon as you get into profit, 1 pip, 2 pips, you're looking to take your profits off. Yeah. Guys, we've all done it because we all deal with the same emotional struggles. We all deal with the same stuff. And the goal, again, it starts with your preparation, your trade plan development. Then it starts with, and it follows on with your back testing that you do to make sure that that your strategy is profitable and you've proven it to yourself. Then the third step of it is to come in every day and do that trade plan review, and to follow that ROE, to do that visualization. All of those, it's not one thing. It's not the magic pill. Here, swallow this, do this one technique, and all of a sudden you're going to have more confidence when you're trading. It's a process. And it's a process that takes some time. And that's why I say, there's no quick fixes here. If you want a signal service, you can have a signal service. I'll put you on a signal service. I'll send you all the trades that Akil makes. I'll even let you auto link to his account so that when he places a trade in his account, it'll place a trade in your account. Just understand that you're going to be tied to him. Okay? You're never getting away from him. You haven't changed your life one bit. Right? If that's what you want, I would rather have you here than somewhere else. But I'm telling you, that is not your best choice. Your best choice is to learn the skill, because once you learn the skill, nobody can take it away from you. Doesn't matter what happens in the world, doesn't matter what happens in your life, doesn't matter whether, the wife leaves you, whether you lose your job, whether you find the whole entire world collapses, somewhere in the world, there's going to be a market open. And the skills that you learn here from us are transferable to any market, because it's all based off structure. It's all based off the psychology of the market, right? Powerful stuff, guys. It's powerful.
Look at this. Here goes a good comment. Kevin just said, I took 2 consecutive losses at 60 pips each, but also just won a trade at hitting both targets for 320 pips that recovered all the losses. If I had taken it off early like I wanted to, I wouldn't have made it back.
Yeah.
That's the power of it right there. That's the power of it. One win made up for 2 losses.
Yeah. And I can't emphasize enough that you guys are motivated, right? Everybody comes in here every day, really motivated about, this is a really good group, by the way, really good group of people in here today. It's not always a great group, but this is a really good group. And you come in, you're very motivated, you love what we're saying, we get you spun up and emotionally committed to this because you have to be if you want to be successful, but that will go away. That emotion fades. Anybody who's been married for any length of time knows that you stay with your significant other not because they have that puppy dog love. You stay with that significant other because there is a deep love there and affection for that person that goes way beyond the emotional, the physical